Step into a world of enchantment with our guide to tulip gardens. Explore the vibrant colors, delicate petals, and mesmerizing displays that make these gardens a feast for the senses. Discover tips for planning your visit and capturing the perfect photo amidst the sea of tulips. Roozengaarde is a world-renowned springtime destination featuring a beautiful 5+ acre display garden, in addition to over 50 acres of fields filled with tulip and daffodil blooms. The garden is annually redesigned and replanted so that each spring season features an entirely new floral layout. Approximately 200 tulip types and 50 daffodil varieties fill the garden, in addition to flowering rivers of muscari, an assortment of hyacinths, and other specialty flowers. Join us as we delve into the festivities, share insider tips for planning your visit, and celebrate the beauty of nature's most beloved blooms.